Hello? This thing on? Hi. My name is Mr. Ziegler. Oh, I could have just said that. Welcome, children of the future. This is Mr. Ziegler in the past. Hopefully I'm still alive, and I'm also in the room with you. If not, it was nice knowing you. Anyways, I'm here to teach about decimal points. Decimal place value, decimals to the thousands. Now this really interesting picture is a great picture for showing whole numbers, decimal point, and 1, 2, 3 place values. You have tens, hundreds, and thousands. Notice they all end in THS, THS, THS. Otherwise, they end in NS, and that is not less than 1. Also, I like this picture because it has the fraction equivalent, 1/10, 1/100th, 1/1000th. And you could keep going forever, but for 4th grade you don't need to know that. Hopefully you can read this. If not, I'm going to read it out loud. When comparing numbers, always look at the whole number first. Whole number after the whole number, which would be after the decimal. Whole number after the decimal. So it's just like comparing numbers, but if they're the same number, then you have to look at the decimal. These are not 253 and 254. It doesn't matter what the decimals say. 254 is bigger, so that's an easy one. If the whole numbers are equal, like I was just saying, then you look at the decimal point. So whole number is 2. All right, so who's bigger? They both have 2 as a whole number. We need to keep going. So keep going number by number. In this case, 5 is the first number, 4 is the first number, 5 wins. And Pac-Man wants to eat with choppy teeth that number. Then he'll come back and eat that number because that's pretty close to the same number. But Pac-Man knows his numbers. He knows his place values. Now I'm just going to do a couple examples, and then hopefully the real Mr. Ziegler will turn me off. Maybe he's already turned me off. In that case, I guess I'm not talking to anybody. 17 and 17. Okay, we got to go to the first digit. 3, 3. Well, we keep going. 8, 7. Pac-Man eats that one. Let's go down to here. 38, 38. Same number. 2, 0 in the 10th value, so Pac-Man eats that one. What about this one? 324, 323. That's easy. Pac-Man eats this one. And here's an interesting one. 0.02. 0.020. Well, there's a 0 there and there's a nothing there. So that means it's a tie. Pac-Man explodes because he doesn't know what to do. So he tears himself apart by trying to eat both directions at once. Therefore, if he tries to eat 2 numbers at once, he tears a hole in the fabric of space-time and gets sucked in and basically destroys the universe. But if he didn't, he would clone himself and eat that one and that one, thereby creating a Pac-Man creature with 2 eyes and lots of teeth. Because they're equal. You could theoretically put 1,000 zeros at the end of every number. You could add zeros, you can leave zeros out. With decimals, it doesn't matter. And that's comparing decimals. And what was the first part? Oh, place value. Place is easy. Comparing, not as much. You'll get the hang of it. Hopefully you can see me. Bye-bye. I gotta get some pizza. I'm starving.